Are you looking for the best orbital car polishers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best orbital car polishers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Avid Power Buffer Polisher for Car Detailing. The Avid Power Buffer Polisher is a versatile tool that can be used for polishing, removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, as well as sanding wood or metal. It features a variable 6-speed control dial that allows you to adjust the speed between 1500 to 6800 RPM, and an adjustable handle and rubberized body that provides a comfortable and non-slip grip. The machine is easy enough for beginners and powerful enough for professionals, and comes with 3 polishing pads, 1 pad disc, 1 detachable D-handle, 1 spanner, 1 hex wrench and a user manual. What we like: wide range of applications, variable 6-speed control dial, ergonomically comfortable, quick operation, comes with 3 polishing pads and other accessories. Number 2. Chemical Guys TORQX Polisher. The Chemical Guys Polisher is designed for both beginners and seasoned professionals, making it a versatile tool for any detailing project. Its compact size and user-friendly controls allow you to easily polish various surfaces, including single-stage and clear coat paint finishes, as well as polished metals and glass. The durable construction ensures this polisher will stand up to years of use, providing reliable performance. With complete control over your polishing process, you can achieve a flawless finish every time, enhancing your vehicle's appearance with minimal effort. What we like: compact and lightweight, durable build quality, user-friendly controls, versatile for multiple surfaces, reliable performance. Number 3. Armor All AA10 BP Car Buffer. The Armor All Buffer is a versatile car polisher designed to enhance your vehicle's appearance. With its 10-inch random orbital feature, it allows you to achieve a polished finish without worrying about swirl marks. You can easily adjust the speed between 1700 and 3300 RPM, giving you control for different polishing tasks. The powerful 1.0 motor operates at 120 V, 60 Hz, providing the strength you need for effective polishing. Additionally, the ergonomic handle design ensures comfort during use, allowing you to tackle larger areas without fatigue. What we like: variable speed control, comfortable ergonomic handle, large 10-inch polishing surface, powerful motor. Number 4. BATOCA Dual Action Polisher for Efficient Car Detailing. The BATOCA Dual Action Polisher is a powerful and efficient tool that makes car detailing effortless. Its long-life motor and constant power supply ensure durability and consistent performance. With 6 variable speeds and a unique eccentric shaft design, it is suitable for both beginners and professionals to use. Its ergonomic design and comfortable front grip make it easy to handle, and its kit comes with everything you need to get started, including a tool bag, polishing pads, sanding papers, washing microfiber towel, and more. What we like: powerful and efficient with a long-life motor and constant power supply. Suitable for both beginners and professionals with 6 variable speeds and unique eccentric shaft design. Ergonomic design with comfortable front grip for easy handling. Comes with a complete kit that includes everything you need to get started. Multi-purpose use for cars, boats, motorcycles, marble, and floors. Number 5. Protmex Cordless Car Buffer Polisher. The Protmex Cordless Buffer is designed for efficient car detailing. With 2 powerful 21V batteries, you can enjoy up to 120 minutes of uninterrupted polishing, making your task quicker and easier. The upgraded touchscreen display allows you to easily adjust settings, ensuring a user-friendly experience. You can choose from 8 speed levels, catering to various tasks from waxing to removing stubborn scratches. Plus, its lightweight and ergonomic design reduces vibration, providing comfort during extended use. This polisher meets all your needs, whether you're a beginner or a professional. What we like: long battery life, touchscreen controls, 8 speed settings, Lightweight design.